Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can fix error code 9203 and how you can really solve it really fast. So what you want to do is just write firewall and network protection, and then just like click here, allow an app through firewall, and when you're going to be here, you want to simply change settings here, and then allow another app, and you want to browse the path, right? So I go to the Genshin Impact, Genshin game, and open it, and then you just add it. Like I already have it, so I'm not going to edit, but you just add it here. And this is the first way what you can do. And that's pretty much it. So this is how you can do it. Also check for Windows updates. And yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.